Welcome to House Handyman, where every day is a good day. Peace, peace. As you can see, we will be installing another toilet. We have this one already wedged up and ready to go. Here's the new toilet we will be installing. Turn it around so you guys can get a better picture. Here's the hardware that goes to the seat and to the actual bowl of the toilet. Let's go ahead and screw those in right now. Make sure that toilet seat is on correctly before you tighten it all the way down. Here comes the top half. You want to make sure that's nice and flush, because if not, it's going to be a pain in the butt to tighten it down. Nice and tight, nice and tight. Here's the hard part out of everything, moving this toilet. Let's go ahead and get this guy up out of here. Can't forget about the wax ring. And it's perfect, ladies and gentlemen. Let's tighten this bad boy down. Let's fill her up. Now let's give it a flush.